The question is find the values of x and y and then show that AB is parallel to CD. From the figure, from this picture, we need to find out angle x and angle y we need to find out, and at the same time we need to show that AB, this line AB and CD, this line both are parallel. We need to show that. Now write that what is given here. Some angle is given 50 degrees and here some angle is given 130 degrees. Just think here, just indicate this one angle O, and this point is indicating with O, and this pointing is indicating with P, and the point is indicating with PQ. Okay, Q, this point is indicating with Q, and now we can say here angle AXP, angle AOP is given 50 degrees, and angle CQR, is given that 130 degrees. Write that what are the values given in that, and given, I am writing that given what is given here. Angle AOP equals to how much it is given? 50 degree. Angle AOP equals to 50 degree it is given, and angle CQR equals to how much it is given? 130 degree. Right. These are given, and here PQR is a transversal line. We can say PQR is a transversal line, and we need to find out angle x value and angle y value. So angle x equals to be find out, and also angle y equals to be find out, and we need to show AB is parallel to CD. Okay, AB is parallel to CD. So first find out the angle x and angle y. And look here, this is a straight line, and we can say here angle O, angle AOP and angle x. Angle AOP and angle x both are linear angles. Now write that. I am writing here from the figure. What we can say here, angle AOP and angle x are linear angles. Now, so what we can say, sum of the linear angles. So what we can write means angle x, angle AOP plus angle x equals to 180 degrees. That means sum of the linear angle is 180 degrees. So then angle x, angle AOP means here how much it is given? 50 degree plus angle x equals to 180 degree. Angle x equals to 180 minus 50 degree, and we got angle x equals to how much? 130 degree. Now first one we got angle x equals to 130 degree here. This one we got. I am writing here angle x equals to 130 degree. The next, once again come to the picture, and if this is, just think if this is line is vertically intersecting the line CD, and we can say here angle CQR and angle Y, angle CQR and angle Y both will become vertically opposite angles. And again that one I am writing angle CQR and angle Y. Angle Y are vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles. So that means we can take here angle CQR equals to angle Y. So opposite till vertically angle both are always equal, and that one angle CQR means how much? 130 degrees. So angle Y equals to 130 degree, And now we got angle x value and angle y value, and we need to show that AB parallel CD. So if you want to show any two lines both are parallel, means if a line is intersecting them like transversal line, if the alternative interior angles are equal, then we can say that both the lines are equal. And find here what are the alternative interior angles. Now here angle x is another one angle and angle y is another angle. Both these are alternative interior angles for the transversal line. So then what about the angle x value? Angle x value is 130 degrees. Angle y value is also 130 degrees. So now I am writing here from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, the alternative interior angles, the alternative interior angles, angle x and angle y, angle x and angle y are equal. So angle x equals to angle y equals to 130 degree. That means we can say, and angle x is on the line of AB and angle y is on the line of CD. So we can say both the lines AB parallel CD. Both the lines AB and CD are parallel to each other. So if any two angles, alternative interior angles, will become equal to each other, then we can say both the lines are both the lines are parallel lines. This is the one.